Ever wonder how to use the automation sequences to here into Mailchimp? If you are a beginner, you are into the right place. I'm going to be showing you how to get started. There's two ways of how we can use the Mailchimp intuitive for beginners. And the first one is to use templates. Now, templates are elements that can be helping you to, let's say, get started effortlessly. So first of all, what I need to do is to have a Mailchimp account. Gonna hit into the logged in option. If you don't have an actual website as well as an account here into Mailchimp, you have the link down below in the description, so we can all get started totally for free. So let's go here into the username. I'm gonna sign in really quick. Once I have signed in, let's locate this left part. Into this left part, we can see that we have the home section where we can check out quick actions, the email performance, the audience, recommended for ourselves. And here we have campaigns, automations, the audience, inside website content, and integrations. Today, let's focus into the setting up your automation. So the first things first is to focus into the left section of the automation section. Now here, once you are in, you can click into tap into the left hand menu and select the customer journey. So we have pre-built journeys, all journeys, and transactional email. Now, we can start from scratch or we can do this manually. Now, if you're just a beginner, I can totally suggest you to look out for a pre-built journey that can be helping you to understand how this hierarchies of the automation works. Let's look out for choose pre-built journey from the upper side. Now here we have the most popular pre-built based on the WooCommerce, finding welcome new context, nurture leads, there are re-engaged context and much more. Let's try it out with the find and welcome new context. I'm going to start with something easy. For example, welcome my new context. I select them, and here it is how it actually going to be looking the journey. So let's try to make this like this. So as you can see, this is what happens into my pre-built journey. So as you can see, it's going to be just really easily. So let's go and start my journey. I'm going to be using this prompt, this element to set it up my very first automation. So you have to be nervous, it's going to be really easily processed. So basically what happened with the hierarchy is a starting point. The starting point is an action that happens when, let's say yourself or somebody else do the starting point. In this case, in this scenario, the starting point is that the contact sign up into TechSpress tutorials. So for example, let's say that someone is into my website. They check out this website and somehow somebody clicked here, it says subscribe for our emails. They choose the option that says enter email and they hit into this option that says send. When they make the process to subscribe to one website, in my case this website, if I linked my actual Mailchimp into this website, basically what's going to happen is that this element that happens creating a starting point. So this is going to be creating a new action. So that means that when this happens, automatically the Mailchimp is going to be generating the next task, which is creating an email. Of course, a welcome email. So when my customer hit into email and hit into send, thanks for subscribing, automatically the Mailchimp should be sending these exact mail to all the actual new subscribers that have done this process. So it says the welcome email to from subject, schedule, and the tracking. If everything looks correctly for you, then use for the option that says select a template. So let's select a template so we can start building our customization of the website. So let's try it out with the email purpose. We have the style, we have the industry, and that will be actually it. So let's try it with basic layouts. Make sure that we are choosing some free layouts because we don't want to pay extra for that. And then choose the option that says apply. Into apply, we can see that here is how it actually going to be looking our information. I'm going to upload my own logos, for example this one. View this email into your browser. We can make this smaller, shorter, bigger, whatever. This is totally optional. So we would love your feedback. So I'm going to change this for welcome to smart. Now I'm gonna type thank you for subscribing, and there you go. So this information actually is going to be really great, because if you don't know how to get started with the templates or from blank, basically this code is going to be automatically changing the information. For example, the current year, if I send this email from the last year, in the next year I sent this, automatically it's going to be choosing the current year, the current company, my current description, the page. Basically it's going to be, that's the reason why it actually appears as a list. Let's go for save and return to the journey. If you want, you can send a test to yourself to check out how it's actually going to be looking into your email campaign. So here it's going to be choosing the customer journey builder. Now we can choose the option that says send test email to check out how it actually going to be looking. So let's go for textpressvideos@gmail.com and send the test. Now I'm going to be opening a new tab. I'm going to go for my Gmail account and make sure that the smart on is going to be appearing here. For example, here it is, and here is a test. So I select it. And this is a preview of how it's actually going to be looking our website. So there you have it. I'm going to hit now into upgrade to continue. Make sure that you have an active upgrade in order to have access to some journey points, and you're actually good to go. Once again, if you wanted to get started, not from a preview building board, doing this from scratch, you can do this. You can change the menu of it. For example, let's go for abandoned cart. We can choose a style building, and we can start with a first starting point. For example, I can choose abandoned cart. So when somebody check out the store, let's go for the store name and wait for, let's say, 1 hour. And after that hour, I'm going to be adding a journey point, which in this case, I'm going to be sending an email. So this email should be saying, for example, it looks like you have something left, something like that. And we can select a template. Once you have selected one template, I'm going to be choosing and customize this. Forgot something, for example, it looks like you left something great in your cart. Continue shopping, whatever. So I think this one is going to be working out for me. So save and return to the journey, and we're actually good to go. So basically that's how we can actually create some automations. Doing this manually or doing some pre-built elements are both actually going to be working really well. You can check out all the analytics of them directly here into the automations and check out the overview elements. So hopefully it was a very useful information for you from Mailchimp. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully, guys, we can all see you next time.